Hello, fifth grade. Welcome to our first screencast that you guys are viewing. Um, we are going to be talking about our reading log today. Um, this reading log is something that we are going to be writing in every time we do read to self. We'll be doing read to self every other day of the week. And once you're finished reading, you're going to write in. I'm going to just kind of show you how we're going to set it up. So first we go to our waffle. We're going to have to click on Docs. And we'll do a blank document. First thing we have to do is we have to change the title. Okay, the title is going to be your name. So my name is Mr. Opp, and then it's yours. So you have to do apostrophe S, Mr. Opp's reading log. Okay, that's the first thing that you do. Once you've done that, you come over to the share, you hit it, and you share it with me. Okay, then once you've shared it with me, you come back down here and you have to title it. Okay, so I'm just going to line it to center and I'm going to say reading log. I'll do double space because I like double space, and then align it back to the left. And then what you're going to do is you're going to put the date. Okay, so today's date is 4/1/20. Okay, after that, I'm going to write the page numbers that I read from. So let's say I started a book, so I can say, page 1, and I read, let's say during my 25 minutes of read to self, I read to page 30. Okay? Then what you have to do is you have to write the title of the book. And we really only have to do this once, like when you're starting the book, because I'll kind of know going from there. But the first time you are going to write the title. So let's just say I was reading Harry Potter. Okay, so that's just what I wrote. I was saying that I read Harry Potter. I read from page 1 to page 30. And then you would just write a little bit about what you read. So let's say Harry lives with his mean aunt and uncle. I don't know why I capitalize those. Lives with his mean aunt and uncle. He also has some weird powers that he doesn't know how to control. And if anything else were to happen, I'd include that. Okay, so that would be your reading log for that day. That just shows me that you read to self and lets me know what's going on. Then, let's say the next day, okay, so let's say on Friday I do some read to self, right? Say 4/3/20, I said I read from page 30 to page 60, and then I'd write about what I read. Okay, now here's the important thing, is that when you get done with a book, you are going to rate it, give it a rating 1 to 10, how you felt about it, and if you'd recommend it to someone else and why. So let's just say, okay, time's gone by, maybe it's May, and it's May 10th, 2020, and I read from page, I don't know the number, I'm just going to make one up, 192 to end of book. Okay, so now that I've made it to the end of the book, I could write about what happened at the end, and then after that, I would say, let's say I rated this 8 out of 10, and then I say I gave it this rating because, wow, this rating because it was a really good read. I liked the, I don't need capital, I liked the mathematics in the book, and I will be reading the rest in the series. And I did not spell that right. Series. I would recommend this. Wow, I am just struggling right now. I would recommend this book to someone who likes magic and fiction. Okay, and it can be whatever you want it to be, but that's what it's going to look like. Okay, the point of this is just to show me that when you are doing your read to self time, that you're actually doing it and that you're comprehending what you're reading. So yeah, that's all I have. Best of luck, and I really hope I start getting these shared to me probably right around 9 o'clock. I guess it'd be a little later, about 9:10 today. Thanks, guys.